boost control. I've got the preliminary hardware set up and bench testing here for Arduino Mega with a shield board on top, a MOSFET which is working as a switch. Let's see here. And this guy is an IRF 520N, capable of carrying far more current than that MAC valve will ever ask for. And then I've got a potentiometer set up that the Arduino is reading voltage from 0 to 5 volt, just to be able to play with the PWM going to the MAC valve. So 12 volt supply going to the breadboard, and of course the 12 volt through a ground. This is an NPN transistor, or an N-type transistor, so it'll ground, essentially turn on and off the ground to the MAC valve. So the MAC valve is wired in. So here, this guy is what grounds through the MOSFET, and this guy is getting power, 12 volt positive, from the breadboard. So as I roll up this potentiometer, you'll hear the MAC valve come online with a PWM pulse control. And so now the MAC valve is held 100% open, and as I roll back down, the PWM decreases to 0. There we go, essentially. That PWM is about a 30 hertz frequency from the Arduino. It's as slow as you can set the PWM frequency on the Arduino, but 30 hertz works great with these MAC valves from what I've researched. It's probably on the limit of the frequency, so you couldn't go much higher, but I think a lot of the boost control systems out there use somewhere in the range of 20 to 30 hertz for the MAC valve cycling. So this will function very similarly to any of the electronic boost control setups out there. But in my case, I'll just be using the Arduino, a MOSFET transistor, and a MAC valve. Excited that I was able to get this thing working.